Now, the book talks about the difference between data and information. And typically what a database is holding is just raw facts, right? What do we do with those raw facts? We want to store the data in a way that we can turn those raw facts into something actionable, into information. The example sometimes I like to talk about in classes is 7-Eleven, right? The raw facts for 7-Eleven would just be all the receipts, right? Every time somebody buys something, a transaction happens, they store the information about that transaction. But then if you want to make a decision at 7-Eleven, you're the manager of a 7-Eleven and you want to know how many hot dogs do I order, how many Slurpees do I order, right? That data that you have about all the receipts you could turn into information. You could do analytics and things like that. So it's just kind of a basic example, but that's what we're trying to think about in a class like this as we're designing a database is, okay, here's all the raw facts. How can I organize those facts in a way that can allow me to turn that into information later?